I'm going to show you how we can make sound markers on the appointments. So to know that, we go to diary settings. In the diary settings, we have the markers. In the markers, we have normal markers, which will link to the patient, or these markers, which will allow communication inside the dental clinic. So for example, I've been putting like a hello, I am here. This is the patient arrived, and there is a sound linked to this one. So in the other way, install the patient, you have a sound, which could be the same or a different one. So now I go back to my appointments. I click on this patient. I am the secretary. The secretary says the patient arrived, and she will inform on the network of the clinic that the patient is arrived. So patient arrived, we say yes. Appointment is updated successfully. And this sound is coming like this at this level. In the same way, at the level of the computer, which is in the operating room, we have the same thing. When they will say dismiss, means that we received that the patient is there, all that will disappear everywhere. So now let's say I am at the operating room. I want the patient to be sent by the secretary. I click here to send a patient, install patient. I save here, and this will come on all the computers linked to the same practitioner. I dismiss because I understand that I need to send a patient. It is sent from the secretary. This is the way to use normal markers and markers linked to a sound.